So I had to get myself one of these after being at my sister's when there was a power outage, and they whipped this thing out and it was so bright and just lit up the whole room. I was so impressed. I immediately asked them where they got it because I had to have one. It's super nice because it's also solar powered, so for emergencies you'll be able to charge it. Really well built, really good quality. It's nice because it also has like a kickstand, and so you can fold this out and tilt it, and so it can stand up and aim where you want it. So for instance, if you're fixing cars or something, doing some kind of work out in the garage and you need better lighting, you can tilt this and have it aimed where you need it. Also has an attachment where you could twist it onto like a tripod to be able to hold it and aim it. It has the USB plug so you can easily charge it, and like so you can charge like your phone or something from it. And it's just nicely covered with that. Then this is the on-off, so you can see the different options. Also, a kickstand you can push from the bottom, and you have a hook so you can hang it on something. It's a nice grip, or has the finger grips. But let me show you this thing at work. So this is going to be in the daytime. I mean, this is going to be with the lights on. On the camera it's showing that it's flashing, but it's not. It's just super bright in person. That one is flashing red and blue. And off. And then I'll show you with the lights off. I have some really dim lights left on, but it will be good enough for the example. But in our case, when the power went out, they just had it shining straight up onto the ceiling, and it lit up the whole room. It was really nice. Wasn't a problem at all. It was so bright. Worked so well for emergencies or for just helping around the house, or if you're fixing things in the shop or the garage, whatever situation it is. If you're looking for a rechargeable, really bright light, this is my favorite option I've found, and I've looked and had several different ones, and I love this one.